ordered a tempered glass screen protector for the tablet, and I figured I might as well go ahead and just record this and show you guys how well it works, how well it looks. I actually haven't used this particular one before. This is by Spigen, and it looks like it actually gives you a little frame to make it easier to install it. So let's just go ahead and do that. And so let's see. So like I said, here's the frame for it. And here's the actual tempered glass right here. You got your cloth, lens cleaner, the little squeegee piece. Like I said, this right here is going to be the frame that you set the tablet in to make it easier for you to put the tempered glass screen protector on it. When you look at it, I don't know how well you can see it, but it's labeled here, top, and it's got a little picture of the little charger, USB-C charging port on the bottom, so you know how to align your tablet. Okay, so let's go ahead and clean the screen real quick. I'm going over it multiple times because I'm trying to make sure I get all the dirt particles off that I can see. Okay. You want to get this as completely dust-free if possible, because any dust you leave behind will potentially cause bubbles on the screen protector when you put it on. So it does need to be completely clean. Okay, so that's should be good. Let's go ahead and place it inside the frame. Double check one more time. Okay, that looks clean. You can see here, this is the screen protector for it. It's telling you which way to go down and up. So you got your little notch right here. That's going to be for your camera. So it'll fit about like this. I still got the screen protector, the plastic piece on it. I'm just trying to aligning it right now, just seeing how it's going to look. There's also little notches right here to make sure that you align it properly. Okay. So let me make sure I didn't make it dirty again. Let me go ahead and double check the cleaning. And yeah, I actually put some dirt on it just now when I did that. Now once you got it aligned to the direction you're supposed to put it on, there is a little sticker on the back here. In order to remove that plastic protective cover over the back of it, you want to go ahead and remove that. Oops. Make sure you place this on just right. You're just putting a little bit of pressure on it, that way it starts to adhere to it. Now that we got that, go ahead and use your squeegee to get the extra air bubbles out. Okay, once you got all the bubbles out and everything, it's a little bit harder to tell now that the screen popped on accident. But you just then go ahead and start to peel it off. Okay. And now go ahead and re-squeegee whatever bubbles might be left. I can see a couple here in the corner. There's one here in the middle. Okay, that is on there. It looks like it's on there pretty good. It's got a couple of these edges here that needs to go down a little bit better. But there it is. So now I've got my screen protector on it, or rather the tempered glass protector on it. I don't see any bubbles on it. It's nice and smooth to the touch. Let's see, where's the sensor? About right here. Yep. It's tracking pretty good. It is definitely smooth to the touch. It feels just like as if it was the regular glass on the top. Now I just gotta wait for the keyboard to come in and we'll see how well this fits. But it looks like the tempered glass doesn't hug the very edges, and I'm guessing that's in case you put a case on it. That way the case doesn't interfere with the glass protector, or the glass protector doesn't interfere with the case. But that's it. Just take the tablet out and now you're done. But that was Spigen, in case you're interested in it. It's a Spigen, was it Glas.tR EZ Fit?